Here we have for sale a 2010 Chevy Equinox front wheel drive. Does have a clean title, but as you can see it is slightly damaged here. Front bumper cover's got a little bit of a tear in it, and the grill's got a crack in it right there. The front fender, you can see it's just bowed down a little bit right there, and then it popped out along the headlight. That's the only damage there. The tires look brand new. No damage along the sides, nothing along the roof line. Pop the hood for you. One thing I did notice, not a big deal, does need a new windshield wiper blade. As you can see, there's nothing damaged in here. It is running right now. There's no leaks underneath. All the coolant is still holding just fine. There's no damage along the hood line up here. Does have kind of a black interior. No airbags blown, no moonroof. Currently right now it's got 31,133 miles. There's no lights on other than the seat belt there, and then the daytime running lamps. Everything else works. The AC is still blowing cold air. We'll go for just a quick little ride. No shimmies or shakes as you're going down the road, nothing clunking or nothing grinding at all up in that fender. Alright, we're doing about 32 miles an hour right now, and got the light on. We're going straight down the road, and I let go of the steering wheel, and you can see we're still going straight down the road, not touching the steering wheel. And I'll hit the brakes. It doesn't turn. Runs nice and quiet. I don't see any reason why you couldn't drive this clear across the country in the condition that it's in right now. Again, as I say, it does have a clean title. I believe this was a rental car or a lease vehicle of some sort due to the prior owner of the vehicle. I believe it was the Midwest Car Corporation, and I'm not exactly sure who they are, but I believe this was a rental car when it was involved in the accident. I don't know anything about the accident. I don't know what it collided with, or even why they totaled it. You can see I'm making a hard left. No noises, no clunks. And you can see there's your temperature gauge. It's not overheating at all, and we've gone probably 2 miles or so, plus the idling. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. Thank you.